Hello there Algarve lovers, welcome to our channel. Today we're in the Eastern Algarve in a lovely little town called Tavira, right on the River Gilão, which is just behind me. I'll spin the camera around guys. So there's the river guys. In the background there is the Black Anchor Irish bar. Quite busy, I'll take a look at that later on. Got the Roman bridge in front of us. So it's the beginning of February guys. About 18 degrees, beautiful day. And I thought I'd just come and show you what's open in Tavira this time of year. I have no idea how busy it's going to be or what will be open. So let's take a look. The first restaurant is normally very busy, it's not even open. We've got the sushi bar, that's open. And while we're on sushi, we actually went out for a family meal last week without a camera. We had some family over. Went to a place called King Yo in the new town of Albufeira. And we bumped into a couple of our subscribers. So a big shout out to Gina and Philip. They're there on our recommendations, so hope you liked the meal. If you did, drop a message in the comments below. So we're in the main square. It's where they have all the entertainment on. When they have the little festivals, the New Year celebrations. The restaurants are quite busy. A lot of roadworks going on here. Well, bad time to come. They're digging up the main pedestrianised street with all the restaurants on. But if you go up those steps, that leads you to the castle and the water tower. And there's a cracking little restaurant up there called Artifact. It's a typical Portuguese with a French twist. It's really nice. If you'd like to see what it's like, check out our playlist, guys. So I'll have to do plan B. I'll have a walk along the riverside. There's no prices on that one. You can have a takeaway from there. Don't worry, eat happy. Sounds good. So I'll weave my way through the cobble streets and get back to where I hope the action's going to be. Got a little souvenir shop here. Monster cookie and cream bar. Be a great place for the kids. Just readjust the camera there, guys. It's new equipment this, I'm not very familiar with it. Thought it may have been a little bit busier than this. Got souvenir and restaurant shops on this side. In front of me, it used to be the market. That's moved about 400 metres further down. It now houses a load of restaurants. Hopefully there'll be a few open in there. Got Flavours Cafe there, that's open. There's not too many places open. This square's normally full. That's this one. Let's get some prices. $14.50. Sardines. Fillet of fish, $15.90. There's a bit of surprise in there. I get the full list. There's people eating there, so I didn't really want to disturb them. They do camarão, espetata de frango, chicken kebabs, pork caprese, that's a black pork, cataplanas. No actual price on there, guys. There was in front of the people that were eating, but I didn't want to disturb them. So where all the boats are, just in front of me, is where you can get the boats over to Tavira Island. If you've never been to that island in this area, definitely recommend checking it out. In the summer it's wicked. It's rocking, there's loads of bars, the music's going, the food's fantastic over there. Oh, this place is open, just a cafe bar. What have we got over here? Oh, it's the octopus restaurant. Fancy trying that. Polvario Jalbellum. Definitely give that one a go. There are lots of little restaurants here, but at the moment they're all closed. There's one in front of the boat tours there, let's see. Grab that one. And I think we'll have to go to plan B and go to the other side of the river. See what's open there. So it's that $2.50 for the adults to go to Tavira Island. It's less than a 10-minute boat trip. The what? Indian restaurant. It's quite new, that. I've not seen that one before. Another little restaurant open there, and tapas bar. So these are the boats, guys, that you get on that take you over to the island. I'll see if you can get it in the background. Yeah, you can't really see it from here. But 5 minutes down the river there, and you come to the island. What we'll do, we'll pop over the Roman bridge and check the other side out. So I'm actually walking across the Roman bridge. That's the Roman bridge there. Walk across one before it. Got some nice apartments there. And we got Hotel Princess de Galeão there. That was a nice hotel, cracking location. The tuk-tuks are going. I'm going to cut around these back streets and hopefully end up at the square. Wrong way, guys, again with this camera. Got to get used to it. Pizzeria Fenicia. Snack bar open there. And Sitio Cafe is open. Pretty busy with traffic here, guys. I'll cut around these streets and hopefully come to the square. Well, I thought I could have cut right through there, the back street, so I had to come back on the riverside. Nice little bar here. Kitchen open all day. So can I get through there? Yes, I can. This should lead me to the back of the square. I'll eventually weave my way through the back streets. The main square is about 200 metres in front of us. But we went to a restaurant here called Tavira. It's a typical tapas bar, and it was so difficult to find. It was only when we had our meal, we dropped down these stairs and realised how close to the centre it was. I'll just pop up and show you guys. Absolutely amazing tapas restaurant. So you go up that hill from the steps. It's a short, sharp, steep hill. You've got the church to my right, and just in front of that you've got this fantastic tapas restaurant. It doesn't look anything from the outside, but the food's absolutely fantastic and it's really nice inside. And there's a waiter that served us. You okay, Alessandro? You okay?
Yes, and you?
I'm fine, thanks, yeah? We'll be back soon, mate, yeah? Okay.
I comment the video.
I know you did, I've seen it, yeah? Okay. Cheers, mate, thank you. Bye. Yeah, so that's the tapas bar, guys. And that's the easiest way to get to it from the centre. When we came, we were walking around here for 20 minutes trying to find it. Couldn't find it. It was only after we'd finished and just walked down the hill we realised how close to the centre we are. So let's check that square out, guys. So just come down the bottom of the stairs there and you'll see how close to the square you are. I mean, I wouldn't be able to direct you to it going the long way around. It's quite a steep hill, so you've got to be pretty good mobility wise. So the restaurants in the square are all double fronted. That's the back of them. And you've got a nice little square here that's normally quite busy. All the restaurants are full, and as I say that, it's quite empty. Restaurant Ponte de Encontro is closed. Well, it is open, but not many people in. It's a new Indian restaurant at the Meli Punjabi. This one's been here for years, the Punjab Palace. What have we got there? Scoop It food. More snacks that. And we've got snack bar a la Goa there. Quite busy. Here's one of them Brazilians all you can eat. Sabores de Chorisco. They're really good value for money then. Like a set price. Eat as much as you want. They keep coming around with the meat on the skewers. It's been well done up that as well, it's nice, looks really good. Casa Simoa. Typical Portuguese restaurant. There's a couple of restaurants here. I think they were open, but it's closed now. I think we're maybe after 3 o'clock now. That's a proper rustic restaurant. We'll cut back through to the riverside. I'll show you the Black Anchor Irish bar. Does have a nice beer garden at the back as well. And just beyond that, There's an Italian restaurant with great views over the river. Let's pop and have a look. So there's the Italian terrazzi restaurant. Got like a little beer garden. Can't actually get any closer to that, but lovely tables directly on the river. Well guys, bit of information you might not want to know. I'm down to go to the toilet, so I'm going to pop in the Black Anchor, and what a good excuse to try the Guinness in here guys. Nip into the back garden. I'll just show you where I'm sat guys. Unfortunately the beer garden's not open, so I've just come, ordered me Guinness and popped next to the river. Well, I've had to move tables as that wasn't officially one of theirs, so I've come out of the way. It's quite busy, so why not take the test? Can I split the G? Never done it before, always the first time. Perfect that one guys. First time I've smashed it. If you can see it there. Well, hope you've enjoyed this walking tour of Tavira. It's a really beautiful place, some cracking restaurants here. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more videos, smash that subscribe button guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.